Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye, and welcome to my channel. Today is Saturday, and it is Accessory Saturday. This is the final day of Accessory August, but it's also Accessory Saturday, which will continue beyond August. So this is just a quick video to show what I carried for this week. This is my Indian Artisan genuine leather hobo bag or bucket bag from TJ Maxx, and I will link the video below as well. And I actually had to stuff it to keep it standing up while I show what I accessorized it with. But I did hang my Dooney and Bourke valet, I believe it's called, valet charm, from the side of it. And just to give you a brief close-up of the bag, it does have this beautiful leather weaving on the front with the strap to match. The back of it is smooth, and it does come with this crossbody strap, which is extremely long, so I'm actually going to have to add some holes in it or just take it off because I really mainly just carried it by the shoulder strap anyway. So what I actually paired it with, and let me take the strap away from it. What I actually paired it with this week was my triple zip wristlet and bubble gum, my squeeze pouches, which this one is yellow and this one is like a sage color. This one is woven, this one is smooth, both from Amazon. And my Dooney and Bourke Art Deco zip around wallet / wristlet. So pretty simple carry for the week. I hope you all enjoyed this quick video of Accessory Saturday. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, have a wonderful day.